Hi guys, today we will talk about GSON and excellent plugin for IntelliJ IDEA JSON2POJO. About GSON is an open source Java library to serialize and deserialize Java objects to JSON. About JSON2POJO, first of all we should inside settings, inside plugins, marketplace, type JSON2POJO and of course install it. After install you should apply OK and restart Studio. As I already have it installed, I don't need it. Okay, inside the source I prepared student JSON file. If we'll copy it, and how plugin works. We should push right button, new, generate POJO from. Put inside this window our JSON and write student. We don't need field name start with M because in this case we will add M into our property like M first name, M last name, MH and etc. Okay, great. As you can see, we have exposed and generated. Generated is easy to fix. Processing. Just add processing into import. They move this into another package. About expose, we should add some Google JSON. How we can do it? Alt Enter, add melon dependency, and com Google JSON annotation. Add it into our POM file. As you can see right now, all great. We will add, Ctrl N, to string, better representation. And for teacher, we will do the same. Just override to string method. Okay, what is next? First of all, we create this like string JSON equals, great. After that, JSON equals new JSON dot from JSON and our student dot class. Great. JSON from JSON return object student equals JSON student, and if we print it, we will see that we have our object student with age and etc. In this case, the same student dot get name, first name. We will see that right now this object contained first name Val. Great. Okay, it names deserialization. Serialization when we serialize object to JSON. String new JSON equals JSON dot to JSON student. All what we need to do. And thought new JSON. And we will look that we have we convert our object student into JSON format. As you can see, we have ugly format, just one line, but we can change it if we will add not JSON but JSON builder. Add pretty printing and add create. In this case, if we run it again, you see that we have great format, JSON format. Okay, as you can see, it is really easy to deserialize and serialize JSON to object and object to JSON. About expose. Why we need it? If you go to the main and JSON builder, we have here some specific exclude fields without expose annotation. As you can see right now, we have age 33 and email. If I remove expose from age and from email, add this method here, in this case, and if we run it, you can see that we don't have age and email. Okay, the next step will be add scanner for reading this from the file. Yep, what we need to do. We will create new Java class, my scanner file reader. Here we'll have public void read string path. We need know the path from where we will read the file. And in this case will be scanner equals new scanner, new file, and our path. Of course, for scanner we should add try catch. Surround with try catch. As you know, if we use just try catch, in this case, of course, we should close thread. But we can use try with resources. If we put it here, you will see that we don't need it. Redundant clause. Great. After that, while scanner ends next, we will sort scanner next line. Go to main. In this case, we can remove it. My scanner file reader. My scanner file reader equals new my scanner file reader. My scanner file reader read path. Path will be like this. Of course, because we should know where this file, that is why we will do it from the root, from JSON. src main resources student JSON. src main resources student JSON. Great. Add path here. And we don't need it right now. We want to check if we have the result. Yep, we have the result. Right now, system out prints it. But we need some memory, and in this case, of course, we will use string builder like our inner memory. How we will do it? Private final string builder JSON. Of course, initialize in constructor, but with new string builder. And we need getter, but it will be like string, and we will return string to string. Great. Here, all what we need to do, it's only make JSON.append scanner. But we can refactor it method like save in memory. Of course, not scanner, but scanner next line. Yep. Yes, it's all. And if we will return to main, uncommented, string JSON equals msfr get JSON. If we will look the result, great. oh, age null, email null, of course, because our student doesn't have expose. Okay, but one small correction, if we will print our JSON, we will see that in the same time we have this strange one-line presentation. How we can change it? Into my scanner file reader, all what we need to do, just add if block, if scanner dot has next, we can add to JSON append /n. And again, if I start it, oh great. Okay, and the next, we of course can use not only scanner, but BufferReader too. I will show you how we can use BufferReader. My buffered file reader, yep. This will be almost the same. Buffered file reader, get JSON. This we will remove, and we need write again read file. Buffered reader, reader equals new buffered reader, new file reader, and the same path. Of course, we need add try catch, but we will add try catch with resources and catch clause, but we leave only just catch. Great. And here will be saved in memory where we put reader. Here JSON dot append, it will be buffered reader dot lines collect collection joining, and all what we need to do, only just add delimiter. And now if we go here, my scanner file, my buffered file reader, my buffered file reader, as you can see, we have absolutely the same result. But in scanner, we should add this, in buffered reader, just like this. Thanks a lot. See you later.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.